So we've got some stuff from Amazon, cleaning brushes, polishing tools and microfiber, and also here we have the Android Auto head unit. Comes with a stand and its own power cable, and this one I got with the reversing camera. And we've got some tools to remove dashboard trim and other panels. We also have carbon fiber wrap. It also comes with its own squeegee tool, so that's helpful. Yeah, so I've got all this from Amazon. It's a bit tricky to enable the reversing camera by itself without actually tapping into CAN or vehicle data. So what we can do is we can find a wire that powers the reversing light. So when we put into reverse, the voltage of that wire is higher. So we need to find that and tap it to this red cable in the camera wire. So when you put reverse like this, without actually going to menu and selecting camera, it just pops by itself, which is very convenient. And then when you put it back, yeah, then it should come back to its home or whatever menu was before. So now is the tricky part, hiding all the wires. So I've removed the panels of the rear boot. I've passed the wire through an opening, and then now I'm just checking the length, the wire length I need, and pushing the rest of it. And yeah, I think it was a bit tricky to get the cable in because it has like a L-shaped 3.1 jack, 2.5mm jack. So I've removed this roof piece, and then it should be sent properly. Once we put the panel back in, yeah, all of this will not be visible. So I think this is pretty neat. So yeah, we've fixed the reversing camera and it's gone through here. I was not able to pass through this K covering, but I've just managed to put a hole in that and pass it outside. It comes through here and it's completely hidden inside these panels, and it's not visible at all. And it's good because it's not accessible by any people. They don't pull the wire by mistake. Oh, and also I've wrapped this with carbon fiber, which I've covered in a different video. You guys can check it out. So in the door storage, in the front storage place, I've passed the reversing camera wire through here, and it comes like this. You have to remove the stereo for that. So now the power supply and the aux cable, I've managed to make a hole in that panel, and it goes inside and comes out here. Ooh, and also the most satisfying part, I forgot to remove this cover. It's always fun to do this.